Good afternoon.
Yeah, sir. Sir, we have taken enough measures during the COVID, and as a mass public transport corporation, carrying around 30 lakh passenger daily with a fleet strength of 8,500 buses, we have taken many measures during this COVID time. This is the slide which explains the mobile fever clinic bus which we have designed for the district administration for swab collection. So these are the interiors, and we have given the buses to Mysore, Mangalore, Dharwad, Belgavi, Raichur, Mandya, Tumkur and Bagalkot. And this is the mobile fever clinic programs done at various places. And during this time, we had the deputy transport minister along with the police commissioner of Bangalore, social welfare, principal secretary and all. We had been in continuous touch with all the officers of and the MDs of all the 4 corporations of the state. And we had been continuously taking the control over the happenings over there and giving instructions on what to be done during this disaster period. And this is the visit we had given to bus stations for inspection and interaction with staff and passengers, because our staff were at that time were hesitant to perform the duty. And at that time we had to move the migrant laborers and all, so we had to build in the confidence among our staff also. And these are some of the cleaning, sanitizing and disinfecting of the buses. Every day these measures were taken and SOPs were released from KSRTC side. This is, we have our own hospital at Jayanagar in Bangalore. So we had been in constant touch with the doctors and healthcare professionals, and we made ensured that the enough stock of the medicines are there. And we had been giving to our staff and the homes however is required. So this is the inspections made at the hospital of KSRTC. And we had COVID-19 awareness program by organized by KSRTC in association with Health Department. We had given free essential groceries at sanitary workers at bus stations. Thermal screening to staff and passengers were made. A mobile fever clinic, as explained, these are some of the slides. Then water tanks, high pressure jet were sprayed on buses to prevent fire hazards, because during the lockdown period, buses were made stationary, and since it was a summer, any fire hazard could lead to a major accident. So in order, we had taken all those measures. So cleaning of buses and bus stations with all disinfectants were done scrupulously. Then MD KSRTC had visited the divisions, the sanitizer bus and the bus stations also. So we had only built the sanitizer bus and we had given it to certain police department, district administration and all. Even our mechanics who were coming to the depots were sanitized using these buses. Then we had sanitization bus also enacted. On the right hand corner, you can see policeman getting sanitized, and below is the police commissioner's office. And we had also taken measure on printing the awareness message on bus tickets. It's in Kannada. Swachhateyondige Surakshate. That is with the cleanliness, you also maintain social distance and help in preventing the corona spread. And we had migrant workers problem in the state. We had dispatched with all utmost care. Many laborers were shifted from within the state also, many districts. These are one of the photos where we had done sanitization as well as measures to move the migrant workers. Then KSRTC mechanics stitched the masks and distributed to all our passengers, the crew, the mechanics, everybody. So our people only had taken these kind of measures. The one at the this one is a vegetable market where our bus station was converted in order to, since bus station is there were no buses. The bus station is a central place in the district, and we could maintain social distance. So these district administration utilized our spaces for vegetable selling and all. And this is transporting of people from Ramnagar jail to Bangalore. In Bangalore, the communal clash happened, and some miscreants were made to put into jail, but some of them were diagnosed with COVID. So we, as a responsible organization, helped the state government to move the jail inmates to shift to other places, and for bringing them to court and all. So we were, our crew were wearing the PPE kit during that time. When nobody was coming forward, KSRTC came up with this kind of a thing, giving a bus service to the district and judicial department. Then bus to Ahmedabad for ferrying students. So students who were stuck in Bangalore, from anywhere from Ahmedabad, a bus was sent for them. Free face masks were distributed to KSRTC crew. Bus stations were used for grocery shop in some other districts also. And on regular basis, we were having video conferencing to monitor the situation and bring confidence among the workers. The slide where our officers joined with district administration in cleaning the city, and all the higher officers made field visits to instill the confidence among the crew. This is the aerial view of KSRTC bus station at Bangalore Majestic, where Majestic is a hub for transportation. During the lockdown period, how it looked, because without our buses, the buses were there, and during the this one, the parking were all made very systematically. And media coverage was also what are the actions taken by KSRTC has been covered in the media in a very appreciative way. These are some of these things where we had the KSRTC came in rescue of the migrant labor students, the online yoga training we had given to our commuter, our staff and all. So these are some of the things, and the Paura Karmikas, doctors, police, water, essential service, bank employees, we made the bus services to travel in all districts and the talukas. Stranded migrant workers, how we had done and all. And buses provided to this one was, this is during a 5 days period, we moved all the migrant workers to different people, and this is the aerial view of the massive bus operation we had taken with utmost care during the COVID time. And the training to migrant workers were organized, food we were distributed, and with all precautions we had taken this work. And many, including the politicians, the ministers and all, they visited during that time. So we made all arrangements to help them to reach their destinations. So these are some of the things. Food was distributed and all. So MPs, MLAs, ministers were also made part of this exercise. So this is the bus terminal during the migrant workers transportation. This is free food distribution we had made to the people, and medicines were also supplied. And all the care has been taken over just 5 days period. 1.18 lakh of migrant workers were transmitted in the special bus operation during this pandemic time. At the last day of special bus operation, a floral tribute to Corona warriors, health workers, drivers, conductors, ASHA workers, police, civil defense, Red Cross Society staff we had made as a tribute for their valuable service to the society. This is a table which gives how many buses were operated for migrant labor. So around 4,037 buses were operated, ferrying nearly 1.19 lakhs of passengers, migrant laborers. And we had also sent the buses to different states with the help of district administration and police. Around 950 number of buses carrying around 25,925 to different states were operated during this time. We had also extended our help to railways in carrying the migrant workers to from a district place to a major railway station. And KSRTC officers and employees of corporations contributed their one-day salary to CM COVID relief fund for a 9.85 crores. And during that time, state government has also extended its support to KSRTC by releasing the salaries for our staff. So this is the media coverage of migrant laborers, which was well appreciated in all media and public. So this was very cumbersome and huge Herculean task, which we had done professionally. And the recognition of the services also. And we had brought in our in-house magazine, Sarige Sampada, exclusively on COVID, like what are the activities taken by for the internal circulation of our staff and crew. Then we had only built a COVID-19 care center at Bangalore bus station, one of the bus station, Basveshwara bus station in Peenya area, where we in association with Rotary and JCs, we had established our own hospital for our crew and all. At that time, you must be remembering, like finding a hospital or ambulance was very difficult. KSRTC had for its staff and their dependent families established its own COVID care center hospital along with the ambulance. So Sarige Sanjeevani, that means Transport Sanjeevani, a bus has been designed by KSRTC for ferrying the COVID affected people to the COVID care center built by KSRTC. So in that COVID care center, all the facilities were made as like a high-tech hospital. Then we had given passenger safety as our priority, and we had asked buses to be safe, maintain social distance, use sanitizer, wear mask, and all these kinds of this one. The crew were disciplined to maintain the COVID protocols. So this is from us, and apart from that, we are also developed the she toilet, the street toilet we deployed, and many measures were taken. This is just glimpse of what are the measures taken by KSRTC during this pandemic. Yeah, I think I finished my presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Raj.
Yeah.
I think you have given a very good brief of what you have done.
Yes, sir.
See, we have been taking a lot of presentation on COVID operations.
Yes, sir.
Including from various transport corporations.
Yes, sir.
My personal impression is most of them have done this type of work, that is
Yes,
managing migrant laborers or students,
Yes.
and you see, creating awareness.
Yes,
All
sir.
these things are well taken.
Yes, sir.
Tell me one thing, anything innovative which you have done? I have not,
Yeah.
was just trying to see.
Yes, sir.
You know, which you can say, okay, this is what KSRTC has done and we deserve sort of recognition.
Sir, the mobile fever clinic bus station for mobile clinic buses for the mobile fever detection, that was one of the best step we had taken and given it to administration and the police and all. That
how many vans did you give?
I think 8 or 10, sir. 8 to 10 buses. Bangalore, Tumkur, Dharwad, Bangalore and all. That was one of the innovation. And what we had done she toilet during this time was also innovations by KSRTC, which many other organizations are following KSRTC's footsteps.
Okay, tell me, what was your biggest challenge in meeting this?
In the biggest challenge was the migrant workers transportation, sir, because it came as a sudden and we were not planned too much, and the migrant labor issue came and we had to move them. We have to mobilize our crew because at that time the lockdown was announced and we had to access our this one. Buses need to be kept, and we had no idea like how many people were pouring in. So we had to maintain this one. The media was also observing. The opposition parties were also observing, and we had to engage our people to reach the destination with the sanitization, the fever detection, that this and all. So lot of challenges were there. With a less time we had to do without giving any scope of complaint. This was one of the biggest challenge which we as a transport organization has done to our best, sir, which was appreciated by public and media in great way. This was the biggest challenge, sir.
Okay, last question.
Yes, sir.
How is the scenario at present in terms of your operations
Sir, at
and
present,
also in terms of observing COVID?
sir, before Corona, we were carrying around 29 to 30 lakh passengers. So it's when lockdown was relaxed, around 1.5 lakhs people used to travel. Now the public confidence has come, around 12 to 13 lakh people are traveling every day, sir. So though we have not reached yet, but many people are coming. But the for AC services, this one is not there. Senior citizen are not traveling, and this one. But during the last Deepavali festival, 3 days the operations picked up around 13 lakh passengers were traveling, sir. We hope this will get this one, and the colleges started from yesterday only for a final year degree and master degree this one, and now the pass systems is going on, and hope we hope that the current cases are coming in the state within 1500 to 2000. Earlier it used to be 10,000, so now it is coming in a great way, sir. It is reduced.
Are people following COVID, protocols now?
Yes, sir. The whatever the
Place like Delhi, it is observed that most of the protocols are forgotten.
No, sir. We are following, but the fear among the public has reduced to a greater extent. As I traveled last 3 days back to some other place, I could see like there is no fear among the people. But our crew have been taking all the steps, sir. Sanitization is we are doing, the cleaning is doing, and our crew have been educated enough to maintain in the SOPs in a best possible manner, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Public, it is not so that compared to June, July trend, now the fear is almost gone, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Mr. Raj,
Yeah.
how many staff you have pressed into services during this peak time of handling 1.19 lakh people, and
Uh,
how many of them have been were infected with corona?
During that time, sir, our staff were not affected. Maybe one or two stray cases could have been reported, but for each, sir, over 6 days it happened, and each bus, I think 4,000 bus means we had taken around 4,000 drivers, sir. So for a bus, one driver is enough. So around 4,000 crew have been utilized for shifting the migrant laborers.
And how you collected the data of which person to go where, and how you managed that?
Sir, what we did is we had a rough idea like North Karnataka, South Karnataka and all. So we had engaged the buses in good condition. People started pouring into the bus stations. So the state government announced that the migrant laborers are relaxed and KSRTC will make arrangement. People started coming, and we had a help desk arranged for them, and based on a data we grouped the people. So we made to sit them like as per SOP in a 3-seater 2 people, and in a 2-seater only 1 person, not more than 25 or something per bus. That thing is maintained. As and when people came, we mobilized the bus and staff, and we could we could transport them, sir. And social media and website, we had given the information, because we told that we will make complete arrangement. Don't make a mad rush for everything. We'll make, and it was free of cost. We had transported, sir. That was also one of the motivation for people to come in. So many people, even whether they are migrant laborers or not, people had come. We had transported, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.